Hello, this is Tanisha Arora, and once again we are in Aarsun Woods, the top carving furniture company in India. We have decorated thousands of homes with our beautiful furniture, and one more time we will show you our most liked product in the further video. So let's have a look and please let me know how you like it.
Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Today I have a dining set for you, and this is not just a dining set. It is one of the masterpieces that we have created in dinings in last few years. Now this one is an 8-seater dining set, and this has got 2 master chairs and 6 regular chairs. The regular means without the handles. When I say master, master means this. A chair with handles is called a master chair. Generally, every dining set has 2 master chairs, one on each side, and this one is double carved. By double carved, I mean when you have carving on the front and as well as the back of the unit. Best part about dinings is dining tables are generally kept in the middle of the room, and the back part is visible for all the chairs from all the sides. Now when you have double carved unit, it looks very beautiful and very nice when you look at the back of the unit. Similarly, in the regular chairs that are not the master chairs, we have only the top part as carved. The back area is with cushion. When I talk about an 8-seater dining set, it's generally 8 by 4. Now look at the design of the dining. And we'll start with the bottom, the legs here. A whole round leg. It has got 2 legs, and this is a folding unit. The top can be separated and the legs are separated for transport. A very beautiful carving all over the leg part on the all round area. Now making this stuff is not an easy job. No carpenter can make this stuff. This is the work of an artisan and not a regular artisan. You require master artisans to make stuff like this. And over and above the master artisans, you require people like us, a company like Aarsun, who can get this type of quality for you. This quality is not easy to get. A lot of time is spent with the artisans on the drawings. All this design that you see, all the drawings that you see here are done by hand. Once the drawing is done by hand, all the woods are cut according to that design, and then the drawings are pasted and it's hand carved with small chisels. They hand carve all the stuff, and finally this outcome comes in front of you. Before the outcome, we need to get the paint, the polish thing right. This one is an antique gold paint. I've shown you this color several times, and this is the most liked color. This design have to be a royal set, and colors like gold, silver, copper, or you can go for white, off-white with gold highlighting. All these colors would look very beautiful on this. But if you want to go for regular teak finish or walnut finish, that can be done also as per a requirement. This can be customized to lesser chairs. You can go for a 6-chair design if you want. You can go for a 10-chair design if you want, 12-chair. That can also be made as per your requirement. I hope you like the stuff or the hard work we have done to get something like this. I would appreciate if you can drop a few comments, and please subscribe our channel if you want to see more stuff like this. Thank you.